सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृत प्रणयिनेभ्यः। चतुस्त्रिंशदुत्तरचतुश्शततमी 434th क्लास। ज्ञायते भवद्भिः गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः एकः एव श्लोकः पठितः, 37तमः श्लोकः अस्मिन् पुस्तके, परन्तु 24तमः श्लोकः गीतायां 14 अध्याये 24तमः श्लोकः अस्माभिः श्लोकः 25तमः श्लोकः, श्लोकद्वयं पठितं तत्र अस्माभिः। श्लोकद्वयं पठितं, श्लोकद्वयसम्बन्धी तत्र अन्वयः पदार्थः अपि समाप्तः आसीत्। भावार्थः पठनीयः अस्ति। श्रीनिवास पठतु।
यः मनुष्यः
विषादयोः
समः आत्मसंस्थितः धीरश्च भवति।
यः okay. यः whichever मनुष्यः man, whosoever man, हर्ष विषादयोः समः, हर्ष संतोष विषाद दुःखयोः समः आत्मसंस्थितः, स्वस्थः नाम आत्मनि तिष्ठति इति, स्वस्थः आत्मसंस्थितः। A man who is same in both happiness and distress and who is situated in his own self, atmasamstitah. Dhirascha, who is brave, and yaha murtkande, and one who is same, one who stays equally and one who treats equally. Mrutkanda, a lump of clay, pashana, a piece of stone, swarne, towards one whose attitude is the same towards a lump of clay, stone, or a gold piece. Samahatishtati, who is equally disposed. Yaha.
Priye apriye tatha nindayam atma prashamsayam sa samahatishtati.
And the one who stays equally same towards favorable and unfavorable things, priya apriye, and as well as nindayam, in his blame, if somebody blames him, he does not get moved. Atma prashamsayam, or somebody praises him, he will not be elated. Yaha mane
apamane va mitrapakshe shatrupakshe va samahatishtati.
And the one who, and the same person of the nature who stays same in mana, in respect, and also in insult, does not care for either respect or insult. Mitra pakshe, shatru pakshe, either in the side, he does neither take the side of the mitra, friend, or does he back the enemy. He does not have any such sides. And equal, yascha
sarvesham karmanam prarambhat yagi yasti saha manushyaha gunaditah kachyate.
Yascha, and the one sarvesham karmanam prarambhatyage, one who gives up all the undertakings, saha manushyaha, such a person, gunatitah katyate, is called a person who has transcended, who has gone beyond the trigunas, one who is not affected by the dualities of life as such. We are speaking of mana, apamana, priya, apriya, mitra, shatru. These are all dualities, dvandvas. Dvandvatitah, yaha manushyaha dvandvatitah bhavati, sa eva gunatitah bhavati iti artha. I think English is okay, I did not find. But in the second half, Srinivas, he who is the same under honor and dishonor. This under is not very comfortable. Under can be changed with towards, who is the same towards honor and dishonor, who is equally disposed both towards side. That rest is okay. And at the last sentence, he is said to have gone beyond. We can use a popular English word, transcended. He is said to have transcended beyond, transcended the qualities. Transcending itself is going beyond. So he is said to have transcended the qualities, gunatitaha. Except that, nothing is as such, but under it should be, can be made two words. Nidarshanam Vyakarnamshaha Srinivas Sandhi. Dhiras tulya nindatma samstutihi.
Dhiraha plus tulya ninda plus atma samstutihi.
Visarga dirgha. So one more, two more sandhis are there. Nanapamanayoh tulyastulyo mitraripakshayoh. It's a very big word.
Mana plus apamanayoh plus tulyaha plus tulyaha plus mitra
plus aripakshayoh.
Savarna dirgha sandhi, visarga sandhi, savarna dirgha sandhi.
See the play of sandhis in Sanskrit. They make so compact. Manapamanayoh tulyastulyo mitraripakshayoh is broken into two familiar sandhis. Savarna dirgha sandhi, also visarga sandhi. Sa uchyate, saha uchyate, visarga sandhi. So evam sandhayah samapta samasaha tatra bahava samasaha datta santi samadukha sukha.
Dukkham cha sukham cha dukkha sukhe dvandva samasa same dukkha sukhe yasya saha bahuvri.
So firstly it has to be understood as dukkham cha sukham cha dukkha sukhe. Generally samadukha, we generally sukha dukkha we say generally, but here the order is otherwise. Dukkha sukha is coming and it is not very comfortable to the mind. Sukha dukkha. Because no man wants dukkha first. Everybody wants sukha, but here Gita says dukkha first and then sukha. So dukkham cha sukham cha dukkha sukhe and same dukkha sukhe yasya saha bahuri. So one who is equal to these two, swastaha.
Swasmin tishtati swastaha upapadana.
Swasmin atmani, swasmin nama atmani tishtati iti swastaha. So one who stays within himself. Samalostashma kanchanaha.
Lostam cha ashma cha kanchanam cha lostashma kanchanani dvandva samasa samani lostashma kanchanani yasya saha bahuvri.
So firstly it is dvandva, again lostam cha ashma cha. Ashman shabda, this is nakaranta pumlinga ashman shabda. Ashma ashmano ashmanaha, atma atmano atmanahavat. So ashma it comes. Losta shabda is akaranta napumsakalinga. You can know vanam vani vanani. You can see very clearly. Lostam cha ashma cha kanchanam. Punaha kanchanam shabda napumsakalinga shabda. So what is happening in this bahupada dvandva? The end word will determine the gender of the three words. So at the end kanchanam is there, therefore lostashma kanchanani it has come. And then samani lostashma kanchanani samani lostashma kanchanani yasya saha. The one who has equal disposition towards these three factors, three things, a clod of earth or a piece of stone or towards gold. So samalostashma kanchanaha. Tulya priya priyaha.
Priyam cha apriyam cha priya priya samasa tulye priya priye yasya saha bahuvri.
In this samasa, tulya is there of course, but priya apriya. Priya is coming first, apriya is coming first. Unlike the previous one, dukkha sukha. So priyam cha apriyam cha priya priye tulye priya priye yasya sa, that is bahuri. Just like the previous one. Tulya ninda samstuti. Tulya ninda nindatma samstuti. Janatam.
Atma samstuti atma samstuti shashti tatpurusha.
Ninda cha
atma samstuti cha nindatma samstuti dvandva samasa. Tulye nindatma samstuti yasya saha bahuvri.
So finally it is ending in bahuvri samasa here. Atmanaha samstutihi, the praise of one's own self is equal to atma samstutihi. That is Shashti Tatpurusha, very clear. Ninda cha atma samstutihi cha, Nindatma samstuti. This is Stuti Shabda is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Ninda Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Ninda cha Atma samstutihi cha. So when you combine this both into one samasa compound, Ninda, Nindatma samstuti. How? Stutihi, Stuti, Stutayaha. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. Like. You have to take Mati Shabda as an example. Ikaranta Strilinga Mati Shabda. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. So, Ninda cha Atma samstutihi cha. Nindatma samstuti. So, that is how you get it. Tulye. Because this is feminine now. Tulye, Tulya, Tulye. Nindatma samstuti. Yasya saha. He to whom Ninda and Atmastuti both are same. Manapamanayoho. This is very clear. Mana and apamana both are napumsaka. Manam cha apamanam cha manapamane. Manapamane tulye yasya saha. So that is manam cha apamanam. Tayoho. Oh, it is continuation. Manapano not. Tayoho. Mitrari pakshayoho. Mitram cha. Here also one is napumsaka, another is pullinga shabda. Mitra shabda is napumsakalinga. Mitram cha arihi cha. Arihi is like kavihi. Kavihi, kavi, kavayaha. Arihi, ari, arayaha. So mitrari. Dvandva. Mitraryoho pakshaha. The side of the friend and foe. Shashti Tatpurusha. Tayoho gunan atitaha. The one who has crossed those qualities of Mitra and Ari. So Dvitiya Tatpurusha it is. So wonderful. These samasas, if you understand samasa, Vigraha Vakyas, then you can understand the words better way. Very exact way. Kudanta Srinivas. Ninda. Ninda.
Ninda ki dhatu a plus ta.
Ninda. Samstutihi. Samstutin. Mana. Man. Ghai. Apamana. Apaman. Upasarga pais. Ghai. Arambha. Rabha. Rambha, it becomes ghai. Parityagi. Tyaj. Ghinun. Ginun. In. From ginun you get in remaining. Yes, then you get parityagin. Yes. Atitaha. I. Dhatu. Atitaha. Atitaha. I. In gatau. Suktanta. In that atitaha. Sometimes we have this V upasarga also. V plus ati plus E plus ta. Vyatita. Vyatita kale. Vyatita means past. Atita, vyatita both. So, evam, one more is there, I think. Krudanta.
Yeah, Sarvarambha Parityagi.
Sarvarambha Parityagi. Arambhan.
Parityaktum Sheelam Asya Sarvarambha Parityaj plus Dhinun.
Dhinun again in. Sarvarambha Parityagin. And in the Pratama it becomes Sarvarambha Parityagi. So one who has given up all the works or undertakings. Abhyasaha trimshattamaha. 30th abhyasa today. Not 31. Please make a correction there. Trimshattamaha slokayoho adharena riktam sthanam itochitam. Okay, that you can do.
Samadukha sukha swastaha samaloštashma kanchanaha tulya priya priyo dhiras tulya nindatma samstudihi manapamanayo tulyo mitrari
pakshayoho sarvarambha parityagi.
Gunaditaha sah uchyate.
So that you can copy that. Second one is yathochitam yojayata. Now matching. Swasmin tishtati swastaha same dukkha sukhe asya.
Samadukha sukha.
Very easy. Yes. Then Gunan atitah. Gunatita. Atmanah samstutihi. Arehi pakshaha aripakshaha. That is ka. This is very simple. Tutiyamsha. Yatha slokam yugmam yojayata. Now these pairs, you have to join the pairs here. Yugma means pair. Ninda, opposite.
Ninda opposite.
Pair. No, yugma means here pair. Slok mein anusar yugma. Yugma means that pair. Match on the basis of the verse. Ninda means, Ninda is apamana. So opposite is atmastuti. Mitra pakshaha. Mitra opposite ari. Mitra pakshaha ari pakshaha. Apamanam manam. Sukham dukham. Dukham maybe yes it is there. Priyam apriyam. Losta ashma. Losta means earth, clay, matti. Earth. Losta ashma. Because losta is very brittle, na? It is mud. Ashma is strong. So opposites he has taken that. As per the sloka only. Yeah, Ninda, Atmastuti, rapidly, Mitrapakshaha, Haripakshaha, Apmanam, Manam, Sukham, Dukham, Priyam, Apriyam, Losta, Ashma. First one. Chaturtha Amshaha, Yatodharanam, Riktam Sthanam, Purayata. Gunatitaha, Gunam Atitaha. Well, he has given in Ekavachana. It could be Gunan Atitaha also. If only one guna is intended, Gunam Atitaha. If more gunas are there, actually it should be Gunan Atitaha. But why the book is giving in Ekavachana? Gunan Atitaha. We have seen that already. In the book it is given. Na? Okay. Sankhyaatitaha. Sankhyaatitaha. Just like Gunatitaha. Sankhya Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Sankhyaam Atitaha. Sankhyaatitaha. Bhavatitaha. Atitaha. Bhavam Atitaha. Bhavatitaha. Dukkhatitaha. Atitaha. Dukkham Atitaha. Dukkhati. Indriyatitaha. Indriyam Atitaha. Indriya. Lokatitaha. Everywhere. Mohatitaha. Atita. That's very simple. Only one place you have Strilinga Shabda. Sankhyam Atitaha. So Sankhyam Atitaha, Bhavam Atitaha, Dukkham Atitaha, Indriyam Atitaha, Lokam Atitaha and Moham Atitaha, Moha Atitaha. So these are all similar way of derivation. Vayamatra Panchamaha Amshaha Riktasthanam Purayata. I think meanings are given here. He wants to have a compound word like Swastaha is equal to Swasmin Tishtati. Dhyane Tishtati. You can do it on the same basis. Dhyanastaha. Dhyanastaha. Dhyane tishtati. Dhyanastaha. Asane tishtati. Asanastaha. Asanastaha is equal to asane tishtati. Similarly, vane tishtati. Vanastaha. Kupastaha. Kupe tishtati. Kupe tishtati. One who is staying in the well. Tatastaha. Tate tishtati. One who is staying on the bank. Tatastaha. But we use it in a sense neutral. That means one who neither falls into the river nor comes to the ground. He stands on the bank of the river. Maybe that is how this tatastha, neutrality sense has come there. One neither ito brashta tato brashta, he thinks. If I fall, it's a mistake. If I go to the land also, so he becomes tatastha. Next, what is there, Srinivas? Nagare tishtati nagarastha. Nagare. So everywhere, what is happening here? Have you observed? Saptami Vibhakti is there. Atmani, Sthane, Dhyane, Asane, Vane, Kupe, Tate, and Nagare. Everywhere Saptami. Because Saptami Vibhakti is Adhikarana, location. Where is he standing? You have to locate. Location has to be given. Nagare tishtati nagarastha. Pattane tishtati pattanastha. Grame tishtati gramastha, etc. Swargastha, swargastudu vise. Swarge tishtati iti swargastha. We use that in our language. Swargastha. Shashtamsha, Srinivas, Visandim, Sandhi Chedam. Priya Priya, Priya Apriya. Manapavanayoho, Mana plus Apamanayoho. Vidya Vidya, Vidya plus Avidya. All are Savana Digasandhi. So far. Nindatma Samstutihi. Ninda plus Atma Samstutihi. You break after Ninda. Ninda plus Atma Samstutihi. Then Mitra Aripakshayoho plus Aripakshayoho. Mitra plus Aripakshayo, Savana Dirgasandhi. Then Sarvarambha plus Arambha. Sarva plus Arambha. Sarvarambha Punaha Dirgasandhi. Gunatitaha. Guna plus Atitaha Punaha Savana Dirgasandhi. So etani sarvanyapi udaharanani Savarna Dirgasandhi. Udaharana. Saptamamshaha. Sandhi karanam, sandhim krutva, nama lekhanam. So, tulyaha tulyaha is equal to tulyas tulyaha. Dhiraha tulyaha, dhiras tulya, visargasya sakaraha. Dhiras tulyaha visargasandhi punaha. Yaha tam, yastam. Visargasandhi. Up to this point, yeah, all are Purushaha, Purushastu, Punaha Visargasya Sakara. Priyaha Dhiraha. Now here Visargasya Okara. Priyo Dhiraha. Yaha Naha. I'm sorry, Yaha Na. Yona. Yaha Na becomes Yona. Yona Dadati Na Bhunte. Yo Na Dadati Na Bhunte. Some sloka, if you remember, Bhartrihari we studied. Dhanam bhogo nashas tisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya. Yona dadati na bhungte tasya trutiya gatir bhavati. Dhanam bhogo nashaha tisraha gatayah bhavanti vittasya. So vittasya dhanasya tisraha gatayah bhavanti. So there this usage is Yona dadati yaha na dadati na bhungte na atmanah vishaye bhungte atmanah krute na kimapi anandam anubhavati tasya trutiya gatir bhavati tisrushu gatishu antya gatihi nashaha asti danam bhogo nashaha. यदि वित्तमस्ति चेत धनमस्ति चेत तत्र त्रयः गतयः भवन्ति इति भर्तृहरि कथयति. So Yona Dadati is reminded to me. So our concern is Yona becomes Yahana here. So let us not deviate from Gita. Asinaha gunaihi. Asino gunaihi. Ahankaraha buddhihi. Ahankaro buddhihi. So everywhere Visarga Sandhi, please watch that. Ashtamamshaha. Slokayoho agateishu gunatītasya viseshaneshu ekam viseshanam rikte sthane yojayat. So one adjective you have to pick up. Qualifier, again the same word is continuing, I don't know what is called. Samadukka sukhaha manushyaha gunatitaha uchyate. So similarly then swastaha, I think, manushyaha gunatitaha uchyate. Like that. You pick up the adjectives. Swast, samalostashmaka kanchana. Samalostashmaka सूक्ष्मकाञ्चनः मनुष्यः गुणातीतः उच्यते.
तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो
प्रियः या तुल्यप्रिया प्रियः मनुष्यः गुणातीतः उच्यते. धीरः धीरः पुरुषः गुणातीतः उच्यते. तुल्यनिन्दात्मस्तुतिः आत्मसंस्तुतिः मनुष्यः. मनुष्यः मानापमानयोस्तुल्यः मनुष्यः गुणातीतः उच्यते. मित्रारिपक्षयोः यस तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयोः मनुष्यः गुणातीतः. So these are all. No, there is no scope now. How come you? Last one is remaining. Yeah, but here there is no place here. Anyway, that's okay. So rapidly, swastah, samalostashmaka kanchanah, tulya priya priyah, धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः मानापमानयोः तुल्यः तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयोः. And if you want, you can add one more also, as you said. सर्वकर्म परित्यागी मनुष्यः गुणातीतः उच्यते. नवमांशः श्रीनिवास निर्दिष्टानां समस्तपदानां विग्रहवाक्यम्. ओके, विग्रहवाक्यं तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो. It is there in the 164 page. Yeah. The page just went by. Priya priye, yes, yes. So please look to 164 page, which is given there. Priyam cha apriyam cha priya priye tulye yasya saha. Manapamanayoho, similarly, manam cha manapamane. मानापमानयोः गुणातीतः गुणान् यस गुणान् अतीतः. सर्वारंभः is it given? सर्वश्च असौ आरंभश्च. विग्रहवाक्य would be सर्वः च असौ आरंभश्च. सर्वारंभः सर्वारंभम, that is the विग्रहवाक्य. सर्वश्च असौ आरंभश्च कर्मधारय. It is simple. सर्वः च असौ आरंभः च. When making sandhi, सर्वश्चासौ आरंभश्च, that is how सर्वश्चासौ आरंभश्च we make it with visarga sandhi. Or if you want to understand it as a separate word, sarvaha cha asau arambhaha cha. When you make sandhis, it gets merged. Sarvaschasau arambhascha. There is a flexibility in Sanskrit to accommodate words closer. Sometimes I give example. There are no parallel examples in English. English doesn't have compound words are there. English compound words are there. High-souled, narrow-minded, narrow-minded. Such words are treated as hyphenated words or compound words. Samasa we can say. But what about sandhi in English? So I give sometimes example. It may not be correct. English people will find fault with me. Maybe I can't go there. See, all sandhis are a phenomenon to speak faster. Nasti tatra, na asti tatra. It takes time. I told you long back. So, isn't there? I can't do it. Cannot becomes can't. What sandhi? We can't give a name. It's for fun sake. So, antimaha amshaha, dashamamshaha, samadhatta. Gunatitaha sarvarambhe kidrushaha bhavati. How is a person transcended, who has transcended the gunas? That is description. Oh, you have to write the whole thing, I think. सर्वारंभे कीदृशः सर्वारंभे या परित्यागी भवति गुणातीतः सर्वारंभे बिकॉज़ सर्वारंभ परित्यागी न सर्वारंभे परित्यागी भवति यू डन करेक्टली नेक्स्ट श्लोके कयोः पक्षयोः तुल्यः उक्तः
मित्रारि पक्षयोः
तुल्य यस श्लोके यू टेक आउट कयोः मित्रारि पक्षयोः तुल्यः उक्तः गुणातीतः अंडरस्टूड हियर व्हाट इज अंडरस्टूड हियर गुणातीतः सॉरी लोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनेषु गुणातीतस्य दृष्टिः कीदृशी भवति ऑफ द ट्रांसेंडेड पर्सन व्हाट vision does he have towards the clod of earth or a piece of stone or gold drishtihi no drishtihi sama bhavati sama adjective you can sama drishtihi bhavati also you can say but keeping that drishti as it is ki drushi will take out question drishtihi sama bhavati sama लोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनेषु गुणातीतस्य दृष्टिः समा भवति अन्ते धीरता कस्य विशेषता धीरता इज द क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ whose qualification is this गुणातीतस्य सब्जेक्ट इज गुणातीतस्य धीरता गुणातीतस्य विशेषता दैट इज हिज स्पेशलिटी सो एवं सुसंपन्नः अयम् अभ्यासः 30तमः अभ्यासः श्लोकः आगच्छति 38 श्लोकः 38 श्लोकः गीतायां तु 26तमः श्रीनिवास पठतु चयो अव्यभिचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीत्यैतान् पुनः पठतु सगुणान् समतीत्यैतान् ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते पदच्छेदं मां च यः अव्यभिचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते सः गुणान् समतीत्य एतान् ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते पदपरिचयं श्रीनिवास माम
अस्मत् शब्ददकारं सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग द्वितीय एकवचनं
च अव्ययं यः
यत् शब्ददकारं सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचनं
अव्यभिचारेण
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग तृतीय एकवचन समस्त पदं
भक्ति योगेन
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग तृतीय एकवचन समस्त
सेवते
सेव इति धातु कर्तरि आत्मनेपदे लट् प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं
सः
तत् शब्ददकारान्त सर्वनाम
प्रथम
एकवचनं
गुणान्
द्वितीय बहुवचनं
समतीत्य
यवन्तमव्ययम्
एतान्
एते शब्ददकारान्त सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग द्वितीय बहुवचनं
ब्रह्म भूयाय
अकारान्त नपुंसक चतुर्थी एकवचन समस्त पदं
कल्पते क्लृप् इति धातु कर्तरि एकवचनम् आकांक्षां पश्यामः तावत् यः सेवति द वन हू सर्व्स सेवति द वन हू सर्व्स रेंडर्स सर्विस यः कम सेवते द वन हू सर्व्स whom
यः मां सेवते
द वन हू सर्व्स मी यः द वन हू मां मी सेवते सर्व्स दिस माम इज वेरी क्लोज टू मी इन इंग्लिश यः मां सेवते माम and also another shashti of this asmat shabda mama my mom and me both are very close so punah yaha mam kena sevate the one who saves me how by what
yaha mam bhakti yogena sevate
the one who serves me through bhakti yoga by means of bhakti yoga यह माम कीदृशेन भक्ति योगेन सेवते द वन हू सर्व्स मी थ्रू व्हाट टाइप ऑफ भक्ति योग
यह माम अव्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते
द वन हू सर्व्स मी अव्यभिचारेण अनडीविएटिंग unswerring unswerving, undeviating, unswerving devotion. Undeviated is better. Bhakti yogena, one who serves. Again the saha kalpati, he gets promoted. Kalpate means kalpate, he heads towards. Kalpate, can say that. Saha kasmai kalpate, he heads towards what? Brahma bhuyaya. Brahma bhuyaya, Brahma tattvaya. Oneness of Brahma. He goes towards the oneness of Brahma. Brahma bhuyaya, or oneness of essence of Brahma. Essence of Brahma. We will analyze further. That we are only doing the akanksha. Saha kim krutva Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Doing what does he get to the oneness of Brahma? Samatitya. Saha, he having crossed samatitya, having transcended, having overcome the trigunas. Trin gunan tatra. Prakrutehe trin gunan samatitya. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Brahma bhuyaya gacchati. Saha kan samatitya Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Transgressing, overcoming, what does he get to the oneness of Brahman? He having crossed these qualities. These qualities, etan gunan nama kan gunan, etan trin gunan tatra. Sattva raja tamo gunan, etan gunan samatitya Brahma bhuyaya kalpati. Anvayartham padatu.
अव्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन मां सेवते सह एतान् गुणान् समतीत्य ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते.
यः मानवः च अव्यभिचारेण, with undeviating bhakti yogena devotion, मां सेवते, serves me, saha, that person, etan gunan samatitya, having crossed over these, transcended these trigunas, Brahma bhuyaya kalpati, he becomes fit to achieve the oneness of Brahma. Kalpate also means he becomes eligible. He becomes klupi sampadyamane. So he becomes eligible to go to the highest state of things. So padartha pashyama, Srinivas. Yaha. या मानवः मनुष्य अव्यभिचारेण व्यवच्छेदं विना एकांतेन भक्ति योगेन, also अव्यभिचारेण नाम एकांतेन भक्ति योगेन, with one bhakti yoga, sole bhakti yoga. व्यवच्छेदं विना, that is a little bit bhakti yogena. Okay. भगवतः श्रीकृष्णस्य भक्ति रूप योग आश्रयेन मां सेवते. ईश्वरं भगवन्तं श्रीकृष्णं अवलंबते. Who resorts to. Avalambana is depending. Who depends on me, serves on me. Resorting, avalamba. Making God as the depending on him. Okay. Saha etan gunan, already told gunas, samatitya atikramya Brahma bhuyaya brahmatvaya Brahma bhavanaya mokshaya. Some people have also said it is mokshaya. Brahma bhuyaya means mokshaya. Kalpati. Adhikari bhavati samartho bhavati. Kalpate nama samartha bhavati. So let us read the Bhavartha, Srinivas.
यः मनुष्यः सांसारिकम् आश्रयं विना केवलं भगवतः भक्तिम् आश्रित्य भगवन्तं सेवते सः मनुष्यः पूर्वोक्तान् समस्तगुणान् अतिक्रम्य ब्रह्मस्थितं प्राप्तुं योग्यः भवति.
That is it. Yaha manushyaha, whichever man, samsarikam ashrayam vina, without depending on the worldly life, kevalam bhagavataha bhakti ashritya, depending on only the devotion of the Lord, ashritya, bhagavantam sevate, serves the Lord, saha manushyaha, that person, purvoktan samasta gunan atikramya, crossing the already described qualities, brahma sthitim, brahma bhuyam, brahma sthitim, praptum, to get yogyaha bhavati, becomes eligible to get to the position of the Brahma, or he becomes eligible to become Brahman, attain the oneness of Brahma. Brahma sthitim praptum yogyaha samartaha bhavati. I think in English translation, and he who serves, there is a flaw there. Srinivas, in the English, what is the big mistake there? He who serves, no, me, it should be me, me. There is a big mistake there. Me, with an unswerving devotion, undeviating devotion, going beyond the gunas, he going beyond the gunas is fitted, I don't know what is this language, fitted for becoming, he is qualified for becoming Brahman, is better, is fitted is totally, sounds very odd, he is eligible for becoming Brahman, is qualified for becoming Brahman would be more better. Two mistakes here, take out that he and make it me, and fitted, make it qualified. Nidarshanam Srinivas, Vyakaranam, Sandhihi. Yovyabhicharena. Yovyabhicharena.
Yaha plus avyabhicharena, visarga sandhihi.
Visarga sandhihi. Samatityaitan.
Samatitya plus yetan vruddhi sandhihi.
Vruddhi sandhihi. Oh, sandhis are over, fast. Samasaha trayam. Avyabhicharena.
न व्यभिचारः अव्यभिचारः नैतत्पुरुषः तेन अव्यभिचारः.
Yes, na vyabhicharaha, no deviation, avyabhicharaha naitatpurusha tena avyabhicharena, with that undeviation you can say. Then bhakti yogena,
bhaktireva yogah karmadhanayah tena bhakti yogena.
Yes, bhakti hi eva yogaha karmadharaya, and tena bhakti yogena, bhakti itself is yoga. Jnana yoga, jnanam eva yogaha, karma yogaha, karma eva yogaha. You have to understand all this like this. So krudantas now, very few grammar points are given here. Tasmai, then Brahma, Brahma bhuya is there, na? Brahma bhuyaya, Brahmanaha bhuyam.
Brahma bhuyam, shishti tatpurusha, tasmai Brahma bhuyaya.
Bhuyam means identification with Brahman, Srinivas. Brahma bhavana, Brahma bhavanaya iti. Next, Krudantas 3. Vyabhicharena, vi upasarga iti upasarga ghai. Bhakti hi bhaja dhatu. Samatitya, sam ati iti upasarga niyap samatitya. Abhyasa sankhya vartate ekatrimshattamaha. 31, not 32. Yes, you can do that sloka anusar.
Sagunan samatityayitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate.
Yeah.
Yatha nirdesham
Shlokat padani chitva. Yeah.
Vitiyanta padam trini.
माम इति एकम अहम स्मरामि. आदौ एव माम इति अस्ति, द्वितीयान्तं माम. अस्मत् शब्दस्य द्वितीया एकवचने माम इति. गुणान् इति पुनः गुणान् पुनः एतान् एतान्. So these are the द्वितीयान्त पदास. माम गुणान् एतान्. माम इति अस्मत् शब्दं, गुण इति गुण शब्दः, एतत् शब्दस्य एतान् इति द्वितीयान्ते. तृतीयान्त पदं द्वे द्वे. या तृतीयान्त अव्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन इति तृतीयान्त पदद्वयम्. क्रियापदं द्वयम्. सेवते कल्पते. वेरी इजी. सेवते कल्पते. सो दिस इज माम गुणान् एतान् अव्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते कल्पते. विग्रह वाक्यं लिखत. अव्यभिचार न व्यभिचारः. ओके. अविद्या यू कैन डू इट फास्ट, इट गोस वेरी वेल. अस्पष्टं न स्पष्टम्. अनादिः अनन्तः अनीश्वरः न अनल्पः न अल्पः. वेरी इजी वन्स दीस् आर. नैतत्पुरुष. भक्ति योगेन, भक्तिः एव योगः. देयर इज संधि मेड हियर. भक्तिरेव योगः. तेन भक्ति योगेन. भक्ति itself is. So ज्ञान योगेन योगः. These are all कर्मधारयास. Then कर्म योगेन, कर्म is नपुंसक. कर्म एव योगः तेन कर्म योगे. अर्थ योगेन, अर्थ एव योगः अर्थ योगेन. ब्रह्म योगेन, ब्रह्म योगेन. So here what happens in this kind of karmadharaya, stress is given. Brahma eva, artha eva, vidyadhanam, vidya eva dhanam. Education itself is money. So like that, jnana yoga, jnanam eva yogaha, that itself. Wonderful usage. Fourth point, Srinivas. Prastuta slokasya anvayam purayata. That you can do.
Yahacha avyabhichareena bhakti yogena mam sevate sah etan gunan samatitya brahma bhuyaya kalpate.
Yathochitam yojanam. Yaha. Where is it? Dakara. Yeah. The fifth one to the right. And the second one is gha. Cha. Avyayam. Gunan. Pullinga Dvitiya Bhavachan. Cha. Last one. Cha. Brahma Bhuyaya. Ga. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Chaturthi Ekavachana. That is Ga. Simple. Bhakti Yogena. Then finally Kalpati. Kulrup. Lat Prathama Purusha. Yeah. Lat. Kalpate, kalpete, kalpante. Shashtamshaha yathochitam yojayata. Simple matching 4 only. Bhakti yogena sevate. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Gunan samatitya. Sevyaha bhagavan. This is lastly, it is own. He has added up the book, people, writers have added this Sevyaha Bhagavan, which is not there in the poems. So Bhakti Yogena Sevate, Brahma Bhuyaya Kalpate, Gunan Samatitya, everything is there in the slokas. Sevyaha Harihi, Sevyaha Bhagavan. Okay, Saptamamshaha. Atra Pradattan, okay, your favorite, Prayujya Katichana Vakyani. Bhuya. It is Napumsakalingam. Bhuyam. Bhuye Bhuyani. Bhuya means becoming. Bhavan. We have to use a Gunatitaha Purushaha Brahma Bhuyaya Samartaha Bhavati. Let us not use the same Kalpate. Gunatitaha Purushaha Brahma Bhuyaya Samartho Bhavati. one sentence. Seva, lat lakara. This you can do. Sevate, sevete, sevante. Yaha manavaha Sri Krishnam sevate saha muktim labati. Isn't it? Saha gunatitaha bhavati. Or you link it with this, our subject now. Yaha Sri Krishnam sevate saha gunatitaha bhavati. Isn't it?
Yaha shishyaha gurum sevate vidyam prapyate.
Vidyam prapnoti labati. Prapnoti athava labati. Or you can say yaha shishyaha gurum sevate tena vidya prapyati. Tena vidya prapyati. Tena vidya prapta bhavati. Prapyati is better, not prapta. Sa vidyam labati. Asmad shabda. Aham, avam, vayam. You can make any vibhakti you can take.
Aham shvaha devalayam gamishyami.
Yeah, correct. Aham shvaha devalayam gamishyami. I will go to temple tomorrow. Any sentence you can. Vayam samskrita chatraha. Asma shabdasya prathama bahuvachana prayoga. Vayam samskrita chatraha. Samskrita vidyarthinaha. Vayam samskrita vidyarthinaha. Vayam Gitam Pathamaha. Vayam Gitam Pathamaha. Kulrup, lat, kalpati, kalpete, kalpante, kalpase, etc. यह संस्कृतम अधीते पठति सह ज्ञानाय कल्पति. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. यह संस्कृतम अधीते सह ज्ञानाय कल्पति. He becomes eligible to get knowledge. Jnanaya kalpati. Generally with this Chaturthi comes. Jnanaya. Yaha bhakti yogena Sri Krishnam sevate saha mokshaya kalpati. Understand? Yaha bhakti yogena Sri Krishnam sevate saha mokshaya kalpati. He is eligible for moksha. Or you can say yaha gunatitaha bhavati saha mokshaya kalpati. That way also you can say. Ante samatitya, having crossed. Samsaram samatitya. Samsaram samatitya. Brahmanah saram upasitavyam. I am making some sentence like that. Samsaram samatitya. Brahmanah saram upasitavyam. Or simple sentence. Gunan samatitya. Yaha gunan samatitya vartate saha brahma bhuyaya kalpati. Again you go back to the same. Yaha gunan samatitya Sri Krishnam sevate saha mokshaya kalpati. All you can combine in one sentence. You want to make any other? Srinivas? Samatitya. Janaah dukkham samatitya sukham prapnuvanti. Lavanti. Janaah dukkham samatitya sukham labhanti, prapnuvanti. So that way also, after crossing dukkha, sukha comes. So you want me to write sentences? One more is there. Oh, I did not look at that. Yaha purushaha etan trin gunan kim karoti?
No, etan trin gunan tyaktavayam.
Gunan, no, that way you can't. Tyajet, you should say. Purushaha etan trin gunan tyajet. Etan trin gunan tyajet. So you want me to write or repeat? Write. एकविंशः अभ्यासः. अंशः last one, seventh. What do we say? Forgotten. Gunatītah Brahma समर्थो भवति. What is that? Sevate. Seva. Dhatu. Yaha. Okay. Shishyaha. Sevati. Saha. Saha Sagnanam Lavati. Ga. Asmad. Sanskrit Chatra. Simple sentence. Aham Samskrita Chatra. Asmi. Understood? I am not writing, but I am writing also. What is that? Next. Ga. Kulrup. गुणातीतः पुरुषः मोक्षाय पुरुषो मोक्षाय कल्पते. Cha is there. Samatitya. That is a very big sentence. What is the other one we thought of? Gunan samatitya. Etan you said, na?
No, etan is
coming next.
Okay, it will cover both.
Okay, let us cover. Etan gunan
samatitya.
Samatitya. Purushaha. We'll use finally the same. Brahma Bhuyaya Kalpati. So here Etan is also covered. We'll just read if any mistake.
Bhuya Gunatita Brahma Bhuyaya Samartho Bhavati.
Gunatitaha Visarga. Gunatitaha.
Save. Yaha Shishyaha Gurun Sevate Sajnanam Bhavate Ga Asmad Shabda Aham Samskrita Chhatraha Asmi Ga
Gunatitaha Purushaha.
Mokshana Kalpate Cha Samatitya Cha and Cha also Samatitya Che Etan Gunan Samatitya Purushaha Brahma Bhuyaya Kalpate Etan and
Samatitya. या अत्र वयं स्थापयामः शुभं भूयात्.